Hey everybody, it's Kenzee. I haven't done a video in forever, so you're gonna have to just kind of bear with me. And I'm gonna try not to say 1,000 times. So, okay, I'm in my new room, and God, it's gonna be hard. I just got done doing my makeup, and I have freshly cleaned hair. I just did a blowout with my Revlon One Step Styler. So my hair looks like it's straightened, but it's not. It's just got a good blowout. I posted a picture the other day of a hairstyle that I've been doing, and I had a couple people ask me like how you do it, whatever. And I was gonna do a live, but I haven't done an actual like video in a really long time. So I'm gonna kind of tell you a little bit about what I'm doing, what products I'm using. All these products, you don't have to use exactly what I use. That is totally fine. But I do want to give you the opportunity to like use what I use. I'm going to list everything and you can use whatever you want. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be crimping my hair with my Bedhead Wave Artist. You guys know how much I love this. I use it all the time. And then I'm going to be doing the top half in straightener curls, or the top section in straightener curls. I just use a Hot Tools straightener, which I love. Any straightener should be fine. This is about 1 inch, so I don't suggest going over that. But you do what you want. I'm also going to be using a couple different products. You'll also need a texturizing spray, preferably a dry texturizing spray. I use the Joico Beach Shake Texturizer Finisher. It just kind of gives an extra little grip to the hair, makes it look beachy and peatsy and texturized. I am also going to be using a heat protectant. I just use the Tresemme Heat Tamer, and then I'm going to be using the Batiste dry shampoo because my hair is clean, it doesn't have a lot of grit in it. And then lastly, I will be using the NutriCare restructuring fluid crystals, and it's just a serum because I do have naturally curly hair and I have a lot of flyaways, as you can see, so that'll kind of smooth the ends and make her look all uniform. So the first thing I am going to do is throw some dry shampoo in my hair around my roots, just so I can have a little extra grip and some movement, some body to play with, because my hair is so heavy. I have so much hair that I really want to make sure that I have some grip, because my hair does get heavy. And sometimes when it gets really heavy, it won't hold curl. So I just want to do this first. And the dry shampoo I'm using is the Batiste Clean and Light Bare Dry Shampoo. I bought this the other day and I made the mistake of using it in my car, and now I have dry shampoo dust all over my car. Okay. I'm gonna let that sit for a minute, and my tools are getting heated up. So when I come back, everything's going to be heated up and we will be ready to go. Okay, so now I've got the dry shampoo kind of rubbed through my scalp, and I have some texture. She doesn't feel quite as clean. So now what I'm going to do is section off the top, or I'm going to start sectioning off my hair. So I just do like right at the nape, and it doesn't have to be really big sections, because the bottom part doesn't have to be as pretty, because the look we're going for is PC and textured, so it doesn't have to be very uniform and very texturized, and very smooth and like real, pretty. That's not really the look we're going for here. And I know a lot of you loved this but weren't entirely sure how to use it, so I'll show you. I'm just gonna kind of go through. I have a whole tutorial on this of a different live that I did on my Beauty by Kenzee Facebook. So I'm gonna take a section about this big. I'm going to take my 3-barrel waver this side up, and then you're just going to clamp it down. And just kind of move down the hair. And this is definitely the longest part of doing this hairstyle, is the waver. If you don't have a lot of hair, then that would be fine on you. But I have a lot of hair and I have long hair. So this does kind of take me, 10 minutes on its own of just doing the whole head. And I will go ahead and mention, as I work up the head, you will see me leave the pieces in front of my ears out. I won't crimp them, just because I will curl them with my straightener, and what a couple people here call the front pieces, I guess the money pieces. So I will leave those undone and we'll curl them later. Okay, so now here's this first section. I'm gonna take my Joico Beach shake between uses. I'm just gonna let her dry, so be careful to not run your fingers through your hair. Just kind of let it sit and cool down. Throw them to the back, whatever you wanna do. Start doing these front sections, and I'm going to do the top section. So the front sections, so I'll take my straightener, and I keep my straightener on pretty high heat, but if you have like thinner or finer hair, don't exceed 400 because you will burn your hair. But I have medium to thick hair, and I have a lot of hair, so okay. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to smooth out any curls that you might have just right there on the end, what my teacher Sherry calls the double tap, and that's just for me. I have curly hair. So alright, so for these first sections you aren't going to go all the way like around. You're not going to do it the rest of the normal section, so you're going to do a full circle, you're going to unwrap, and she's going to look like this. You're going to turn her again, do a full circle, full unwrap, and just keep unwrapping until you get about an inch from the end and pull straight. Now you can go all the way down, you don't have to, but I like the longer length at the end. I like the straightened ends because I feel like it makes it look more beachy, more texturized, and that's just the kind of messier look that I'm going for. But you can do whatever, there's no rules. Same thing, so I have these all my new growth from my super sweet postpartum hair loss coming in, and all of it's very, very curly, so. Okay, so same thing, you're gonna double tap the ends. If you have curly hair, you can do a full wrap, and you're gonna unwrap once, turn it again, unwrap, turn it, unwrap, turn it, and you see this little end right here? You're gonna unwrap, don't unclamp, and just pull straight down. And that gives you the end. Serum, which again is the NutriCare Restructuring Fluid Crystal Serum. This is part of my Fanola that I get, I don't sell it.
it's not like I get money for commission, but like I don't sell it. So this is really good. You just use a little bit goes a long way. So I just use about a little more than a pea-sized amount. Rub it between my hands really good. And you're going to finger comb the curls. Don't do too much on this underside because we didn't curl this side. So I kind of try to get it to blend a little bit, but you really want to focus on the curls to get them to kind of unspring just a little bit. Now, if you like the springy curls, that is fine. You can leave them and then you're done. But I like mine a little bit combed out. Not a whole lot, just makes it a little bit of a softer look. And then I take whatever's excess on my hands and I run it on the ends and on the money pieces of my hair. And right by my ears, everywhere where my new growth is, that's really curly. I don't push down hard on the top where I have teased my hair. I just kind of smooth it over. And then, okay. So this is kind of the finished product. So now what I do is I'll just hit it with hairspray really quickly. I don't do a whole lot because hairspray weighs down my hair, so I can't use a lot of hairspray, but this is the Big Sexy Volumizing Hairspray, and I believe it says 7, Shine 7, Hold 7. So I just hit it once on the top, flip her over, hit it again, let it sit, flip it back over. Okay. And that is it, guys. I really hope you like it. I can answer any questions that you might have about this. I think it's super cute. And like I said, I get several days out of it, so that's what I love about it the most. But yeah, she's just kind of beachy and fun, and I don't know, I just really like it. So, if there's any questions that I can ever answer regarding really anything, hair, makeup, whatever, I don't know what this dude's doing, but I'll fix her. Just blend her in. Here we go. But I just think she's fun. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments, message me, whatever. I love talking to you guys. I love helping you out with different products. Or if there's something that you would like me to try and do a review on, I'd also love that. This is my first video I've made in like over a year because it's been harder to do the editing and things like that. So if you like this format better than a live, please let me know. But yeah, I think that's it. So have a great quarantine. And do something productive, and I love you guys. Stay safe out there. I appreciate you.